Hey, Jake, how's the weather in Boston today?
Hey, Emma, it's freezing here. We just had a snowstorm last night, and everything is covered in snow. What about New York?
It's cold here too, but not as bad as in Boston. No snow yet, just strong winds and low temperatures.
Lucky you. The roads are really bad here because of the snow. I was planning to go out, but I think I'll just stay inside today.
That makes sense. When it's this cold in New York, I usually go to a cozy cafe or visit a museum. What do you usually do in Boston during the winter?
If the weather isn't too bad, I like going ice skating at Boston Common Frog Pond. But today, I think I'll stay home, drink hot chocolate, and watch a movie.
That sounds like a great plan. I love ice skating too. In Central Park, they have a big rink that's really popular in the winter.
That must be fun. But honestly, I can't wait for spring. Boston looks beautiful when all the flowers start blooming.
Same here. Spring in New York is amazing, especially in Central Park. Everyone goes out for walks and bike rides.
Do you also get a lot of rain in the spring? Boston gets a lot of rainy days.
Yes, we do. I always carry an umbrella in the spring, but I still love it because the weather gets warmer and there are a lot of outdoor events.
That's true. Boston has great spring festivals too, but I think my favorite season is summer.
Me too. In New York, summer is the best for rooftop bars, concerts in the park, and baseball games.
That sounds great. In Boston, summer is perfect for going to Fenway Park to watch the Red Sox or taking a boat tour in the harbor.
That must be nice. But summer in New York can get really hot. What do you do when it's too hot in Boston?
I usually go to the beach. There are some nice ones near Boston, like Revere Beach. Do you go to the beach in New York?
Yes, I love going to Coney Island or taking a trip to the Hamptons. But honestly, sometimes I just stay inside with the air conditioning.
I do the same. But what about fall? Boston in the fall is incredible. The trees turn bright red and orange.
Fall is beautiful in New York too. I love walking through Central Park when the leaves start changing colors.
I think fall is my favorite season here. The weather is perfect, and there are so many festivals.
That sounds amazing. Every season has something special in both our cities.
Definitely. We should plan a visit to each other's cities sometime and experience the seasons together.
That's a great idea. Let's do it.